mga branches. You see? It's like yellowish, green. Ning hinog po dilahang mga kuan guys, sila mga punuan. Going to try the sweetest mango in the world. So let's see if how is it different from the other mangoes in our hometown or in the other part of the Philippines, or I guess in the whole world. So this is really paghambog din nila ni guys. Gini pwede mahaluan o lain-lain na mangga din. Guys, my order is finally here, and I ordered pork sisig with the mango twist, adobo, and pizza, mango pizza, soda, because I'm the one who's going to eat double rice. So let's pork adobo, pork sisig with mango. Specialty here, the mango pizza, and they can be found here in Binondo. So don't visit, because it's in one of the amazing restaurant here in Binondo. Oh, benefit too, I'm going to eat. This is the San Lorenzo Wind Park. First windmill here in Visayas. I thought that it can only be found in Ilocos, guys. So there's a lot of windmills here. I think it is a main source of power and energy here in Plaza here in the Philippines, and it can be found here in Guimaras. So let's have a tour in the smallest plaza on how it looks like and what is really inside. So look. This is the entrance here. Photo Look, this is the smallest plaza. Ito lang siya, guys. Dito pa lang. Ikot-ikot. Yun, plaza na yun. So guys, meron ding ano dito eh. Yan. There's also a stage, a small stage in front. I guess it is used for dance practice or any event here in this area. Yeah, ito lang yung smallest plaza na yan. Tapos umuulan pa. It's still raining. Punta na tayo. Guys, I have to say goodbye to the owner of this inn. Ate, bye-bye. I'm gonna miss this place. If you are backpackers, you have to go here because they offer a very affordable accommodation of any kahit anong budget mo. And salamat kay
Thank you so much.
how to Maymay. I have to say goodbye to their caretakers, and they're so very accommodating, guys. And napakaganda talaga ng Guimaras at saka yung mga tao dito. I have really a good time. Maymay, sali ka sa video. This is Maymay, guys. Napakabait nito. So, pag pumunta kayo dito sa Guimaras, Sidewalkers, don't forget. And tanungin nyo lang si Maymay kung ano ang gusto nyo dito. Bye, May. Bye, ate. Napakasakit na ng heart ko pag umalis na ako dito. Bye, guys. See you to my next trip.